Okay, this is it. This is the Jeep Gladiator. Got some updates for you. 85,000 miles, just under. And I have decided, and if you notice, there's no more graybeard stickers, and I put new fenders on it. But I have decided to let this one go. It's done everything perfectly. I had to deal with Stellantis a little bit on getting body work done because it had a little bit of a corrosion issue, and I was like, you know what, maybe I do tow a little bit too much for this truck. It's been great, it hasn't given me any issues. I would buy a brand new Jeep EcoDiesel Gladiator if they still made them, but they don't, so I had decisions to make. My biggest decision was letting this one go. Man, I love this truck. It's everything about it has worked out perfectly through the years. You guys have seen it online. It's really, really sad to have to let it go. We still have the Scout to get restored that will be freaking phenomenal when it's done, and it'll be getting closer and closer to being done this year. Also, I got another project this year that we will be looking at, maybe changing a cam and a Hemi. Shocker, hey? But yeah, here's one last look of the Gladiator after a repaint. Got 4 new doors, new hood, new tailgate, and definitely don't want to leave behind the hitch. We will take the hitch with us. That's a weight safe hitch. Probably won't need it in the big new truck because the new truck is a power wagon. We didn't upgrade in year because didn't need to. This is a low mileage power wagon, and the price of vehicles these days, I decided to keep it tamed down a little. It's a beautiful truck. Got it here in Angola, Indiana. Didn't even expect to buy it today. I just came out here to take a look at it. It's a 2-hour ride home, but it is what it is. This is going to be the new trail runner. And I'm still going to keep the name Graybeard even though it's black. I know. That's just me. But yeah, it's got a lot of bells and whistles, and it's still new to me. So we're going to take it home. 2-hour drive. First thing we'll change out is that steel winch cable. I just decided I would like those ram boxes so much that the Gladiator is going to be going. None of the family knows I've done this yet, but they won't even be shocked. And really sad I'm not taking it home. So everybody on the channel, keep watching. There's going to be many more updates now. We got a new truck to test, experiment with. First thing first, leveling kit, tires and wheels. But this will be my service truck and my towing rig. It'll handle that camper way better, and we'll see what a 3/4 ton 6.4 liter will do. All right, here we are. Jeep, they talked me out of a Gladiator. How did that happen? They did great. What's in the back of this thing? It's got a lot more room. Oh yeah, nice clean look without the fenders. Very cool. It's got the, I think they call them ram rails for accessory points. That'll work out nice. But here we are, back to an older model truck. Okay, it's the next day. I'm home now, and it snowed overnight. I ran to an auction real quick this morning. Didn't see much, so back here, gonna fill up the ram boxes. I really like that option. I think it keeps the interior a lot neater, or it's going to keep the interior a lot neater. This truck isn't without flaws, as most used trucks, but I'm able to put tow straps in there and tie downs and a little compressor, and it'll be nice and neat. So far I'm loving the Power Wagon. Has way better road manners than that lifted Gladiator did. I still miss the Gladiator. It's small, nimble. This is a new beginning. The minivan Wrangler still going strong. Now, new project. And I hate taking on 2 projects. I do not recommend this. I thought this was an easy fix when I picked it up. Got it for 700 bucks. Thought, hey, running funny, no vacuum, gotta be a cracked manifold. Sure enough, it was a cracked manifold. Swapped out the manifold. Didn't check anything else. Just swapped out the manifold. Fired it up. No, it does not run right at all. Huge miss, and found out it's got a dead number 5 cylinder, and it seems to be a common issue with the 03 and 04s dead number 5 cylinders, even though this doesn't have the cylinder shutdown. So, and here's what I've determined: it's going to be an intake valve, a little bigger project than I was hoping for, being I picked it up so cheap. So I don't know if it's going to end up being for parts, or I'll probably fix it in the spring, because we got to get back to the real project vehicle. We got to get paint on this year and get it so it can run in and out. I had it out on the hoist for a couple of days. I've done a couple of things to it. I put some primer sealer on it in a few spots. It's starting to snow now, so time to get back to the winter project. The Gladiator, still love the platform. If they come out with a 392 or a 5.7 version, hopefully a 5.7 version. And the only issue I had with the Gladiator diesel at all was towing the big camper I just bought uphill. That 70 mile an hour uphill, it handled it fine. But towing it uphill, it just didn't, even with the diesel, did not have the oomph. It did not like it. So it had to go. Because, once you buy a brand new camper, you can't sell those things. You're stuck with it. So the Gladiator had to go. The Power Wagon's not going to have any issues with the big old camper. And it's more suited in size. I mean, the family's growing, the boy's getting bigger, and tool chest is getting bigger, and the Gladiator was getting a little cramped. So back to a big truck for now, and we'll see how the Power Wagon does. We're going to take it on some trails too, test out those lockers and see how it does. Probably put a leveling kit and 35s on it. But it's getting to be winter. We're going to leave it alone for now. See what I like, what I dislike, and we'll change it as necessary. So everybody have a great weekend and a great week, and we'll be seeing you back soon.